Hey guys, Sage signing in. I hope you're all doing well. So, this is a life channel urgent update. I don't know which category to put in, but to make the long story short, this is my Windows 8 HP Pavilion 500 PC series that I inherited from my late grandmother. May she rest in peace. And everything that I have made over the years is inside this case. Why am I showing this to you? It's pretty much fried. And stupid as I am, I didn't back anything up. Maybe a couple of screenshots from some screenplays that I've shared with my friends here and there. But anytime I tried to restore this, I've cleaned this up severely as best I could, the inside of the case. And so far it was working, but only works for a certain amount of time. I tried turning it off, I turned it back on, and it's stuck at the logo startup. It freezes there. I've looked up numerous tutorials on YouTube because I don't know any professionals that can help me with this, and I don't got the money, and I don't want to start like a GoFundMe or anything like that. I don't think it's that severe because it's not like a life-threatening thing. It's just a computer though, so I'm taking it as a sign from God. Hey, don't worry about this too much. But all of the information, like my screenplays, my outlines, my models, everything is in here. And I'm not sure if I should like take out the hard drive and any of the necessary stuff that contains all the storage, like the RAM and stuff like that, and put it inside a new case. I know there's ways where you can do that, but I don't know much of the scientific stuff. I know there's ways you can clone it. Maybe I'm like saying the answers right here, but if anyone can help me figure out how can I get this to resurrect, I would really appreciate all the help I can. If not, if all else fails, I'm more than willing to start over on a fresh slate. I really appreciate the help, you guys, and I'm really sorry I had to deliver this bad news, but I hope you guys understand. I love you guys so much, and to those who have stuck with me all this time through thick and thin, I really appreciate you. I wish I knew what else to say. I just have so much gratitude for